Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, September 5th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on Ethereum to Bitcoin at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart and Japanese candle sticks. What is so particular in this chart? If you can take a look at this, recent developments are quite clear, because even if we zoom out, we can clearly say that the rate of this market, Ethereum to Bitcoin, is going down, 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 down. This is a definition of the down trend here since the high in 2022. This movement here is a textbook example of the downtrend. Lower highs, lower low, and the recent spike to the downside, probing the liquidity down to the level of 0.02. So that's a very, very deep movement to the downside. What we can do here, however, is we can place a kind of a channel. Let's use the parallel channel, to be honest. Let me just again take a look at this situation here. We can do it this way, obviously, or we can do it with the second higher high and do it like that. So you can see that the situation with the channel might be quite helpful. We are moving inside of this nice, very nice channel where you can see ups and downs, and if I'm not wrong, we should see another very interesting correlation between the overbought and oversold market conditions on this market. As you can see, this is the extremely oversold market condition, there is the extremely overbought, and we touch the upper channel line, then we go lower. So we are now bouncing from the extremely oversold market conditions. However, we didn't actually even cross the level of 50. What is more here on this channel, maybe if we will try stochastic indicator, actually we will just take a look at the classical stochastic, but we will make it a little bit longer, like twice longer, at least twice longer. So it will be something like that, and that's okay. So now this looks a little bit better. However, let's make it triple, at least a triple. So it will be 42, and then it will be 3, and this will be 9. So now is a little bit even better if we remove the RSI, which can be helpful. However, this stochastic indicator again is showing us the extremely overbought and oversold conditions. So it might be as well helpful for the next your next trade. Now, where are the levels? Because we didn't place any levels on this market. So the recent low, obviously the recent low is placed here. It will act as the technical support, and the other thing is the recent low, which will act as the technical resistance. So the previous low, 0.044. This is, in the other hand, there you go, the technical resistance. If we take a look at this channel, maybe to look at this a little bit better, let me just make it a little bit there you go. Now it looks a little bit better. Okay, so stochastic is back on the chart, and situation with the Ethereum to the Bitcoin is getting right now rather clear. As long as we take a look at this channel, we know that this channel is downsloping channel with the internal downtrend with lower highs and lower lows that goes towards the extremely overbought and extremely oversold market conditions. So it doesn't actually look like the market wants to do something about it. It's been like this since the top of the 2022, and it keeps going on like this for months. So quite interesting clue for all of you Ether to Bitcoin traders, quite interesting analysis. You can draw your own conclusions what to do next in order to profit from this very nicely behaving market. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.